What is up, YouTube? TwinPack24 here, and today we are playing Zombie Grinder. This is me. This is my second time playing Zombie Grinder, so let's just get started. So now that I figured out how to get into a match now, and just in case if you guys haven't seen the first one, I've had a little bit of fun. Now I haven't really upgraded because the weapons and hair and all that other stuff has cost a lot of money, and I don't have that much right now. So yeah, so let's get started. So I guess we came into another game where someone is naturally already playing and stuff, so yeah, let's just, you know, get that dealt with. So we're gonna wait for him to die. If he does die, if he doesn't die, that sucks. And this place looks like it has zero lighting, and we're just going by our peripheral view, technically. Okay, now he's just getting hit. Weird. Okay. He probably went AFK for a second. Yeah, he's gonna die. And if he doesn't die, then oh my god, what is he taking? Because I need to take that. Because like 3 hits or 4 hits from them, I go straight down. So yeah, let's hope he dies. So we can start playing. So yeah. If he ever dies, or if he stays alive long enough, will we come back? I haven't figured that out yet, because usually people die. I wish we could see his health bar as well, but we cannot. So yeah. Okay, I don't know what that is. Looks like a time machine. There was a question mark on the wall. I remember the map I played before shooting this. It was like in a winter woodland type map, and it didn't have any ammo. There was no wall, so you can't do that. I think there were drops actually from the zombies, because I somehow got a like I want to say like a siren like thing. It like dispersed pulses, but yeah, other than that I did not know where to get the ammo because I did not see it. It was a pretty small map, but hopefully he can hurry up so we can play. It's taking a good second. It appears there are no zombies, otherwise, or if there is, they are really slow. This looks like a huge room though. I would stay in the corners, even though you're not supposed to do that, because the zombies can trap you, but yeah. So I might, or, whoa. I guess, oh, this is like a full house type of thing. Never been one of those. The ones I've been in have really been enclosures. Couldn't open the doors and anything like that, so yeah. So this guy looks pretty beast. I'm not gonna lie, but he needs to hurry up and die so we can play, please. Okay, who leaves the restrooms open like that? Isn't that weird? There's usually a door to the restrooms instead of like that open area concept. Weird. Come on, zombie. Okay, he killed him. Now we are officially playing. Hopefully this looks good. I kind of changed up my frames a bit. And it costs money. I forgot to get stuff. So I can't get Jack Diddley. I could get this bat, but why would I get the bat? I want to go for this. I don't know what this is, but it looks like it's a how do you call it? Machine gun. Machine guns in here are worthwhile. Oh my god. So I really hope there's nothing behind me, because I can't see yet. See, I'm doing this so far. I'm doing better than I was last time, because I kind of got the controls a bit. And to like keep holding steady on this one shot, you have to put yeah, ranked up to level 3. Whoop! Haven't been playing this a lot, but I do got the control, or the hang over the controls and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so it looks like we all appeared in different rooms, I'm assuming. I do not know how big this map is, because I've never played on it before. I've only played on 2 maps, which is the grocery top store looking one and the woodland winter one. So yeah, so to aim in one spot, like, and not be able to turn and look at the zombie constantly, you have to hold shift, and that's pretty hard because, I don't know, what the hell? Did you see that fire? That was weird. But yeah, and it's kind of hard because, like, I'm trying to move with one hand while holding shift on the other, and it's pretty, it fatigues my pinky. Yeah, I have a wimpy pinky, but, you know, what you gonna do? Okay. And I also like how it, when you're loading, it shows above your name and stuff. Oh yeah, level 5, I skipped a level. Like that. Not as bomb as that dude, though. I need a better gun. It was 20,000 to get this machine gun, right? Or 2,000. Okay, it's 2,000. Okay, I just need 1,000 more. I don't know how many points I'm getting. I know that in the woodland type one, it might do this one and this one as well. The zombies also dropped coins, like in 50 increments, like $50 increments or 50 golden coin increments or whatever. I'm just gonna look around, I guess. I'm gonna go back to that room that, okay. I'm assuming that's a trap. I don't know what the hell that is. Like a turret, I am assuming as well. Okay. So this place isn't as big, and that's impossible for that to happen. But then again, we are playing against zombies. In a cartoon world, so yeah. Okay, yeah, so this map doesn't look too big. It does not look big at all whatsoever. Take the turrets and point, what? At the entry. What the hell does that even mean? I don't even know how to take the turrets, dude. I'm the wrong person. But yeah. I hope I don't sound too distant from the mic. I'm kind of looking at the second computer screen I have. So, okay, we're on wave 3. I believe we're on Hopefully this isn't too long, because I know people don't like to waste their time. Hey! That guy stole my look. Man, shoot. Okay, but, I know people don't like to waste their time. I don't know how you pick that up. Yeah, I don't know how you pick those up. I'm still at 1,000 coins, weird, because I've been shooting them, so obviously too easy this? Or isn't it, this is too easy? I don't know. Maybe that guy doesn't know good English, who knows. But this is pretty fun so far. Now the zombies over here, that's why they be getting all the good weapons. Okay, I think these are... Oh no, he's trying to get ammo. Oh, I don't know what he was trying to do. It looked like he was trying to get ammo. How can that guy take all those scratches? Or those hits? I better begin some coins. Okay, yeah, there we go, Oh dang, he died. Something must have happened. I'll revive you, dude, just give me a second. With this zombie. Oh, okay. You just revive yourself. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna get 2,000 of the truth, but we'll see. Oh yeah, so like I was saying before, yeah, I don't like to waste their time if I didn't finish I was doing pretty good on health too, now I'm like, I I need like a damn shotty. I think that's what I have, but a regular damn pistol, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna try something. Go, go, go! Oh no, there's too many zombies on screen. It's slowing down. Come on. Get out of this room before I die. Oh, thanks. What gun do you have? Damn, he ranked up to level 68? I'm barely level, what, 3? 4? I lost track, but I think that guy's AFK. I think that's why he died. And AFK, for you guys who don't know, means away from keyboard. This is a computer game, so yeah. Might I add that it's free. So that's pretty cool too. And it's really fun. You can play online with people. I think it's really fun because my favorite game is Nazi Zombies from Black Ops 2. This is kind of like, okay, if this guy has been stealing my kills, getting my coins. But yeah. Okay, so we're on wave 6 now. Okay, so he left the game, so I guess yeah, he was I guess he was trying to get the game. What is those, necklaces? I'm gonna get those fucking coins. Oh my god. Oh no, 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 come on, get away from me. Ah! Damn, I died. Shoot. Okay, and I can float to other people, right? Who knows how... Okay. Find someone to respawn. You will respawn in a couple of seconds. If I find them, if they're not too damn busy. Okay, X14, that beast of a guy needs ammo. Revive me. There's no zombies around you guys. T. There we go. Just telling them thanks. It's nice to show people your appreciation from time to time. Oh, or not. You just die from that guy. These people look like they know what they're doing. I wonder what wave they were on before. Okay, I'm on 1560 coins, so I just need about, I want to say 400 about. I don't know. Playing a game and doing math at the same time is a little bit difficult. Especially when you're trying to concentrate. When you're trying to concentrate, oh shit, oh shit. Like that. If you don't concentrate, then you get killed. When you get killed, you're gonna tunnel. Oh, no, 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 no. I was trying to tunnel them in there, but that obviously didn't work. Oh no, I shot myself in there. No, I didn't. No, shit. Oh my god, what the hell are these guys? No, I'm gonna die. No! Where's the ammo when you need it? Okay, I'm gonna bottleneck them. Try to make a circle. Yeah. Let me go to him. Yeah, that's pretty weak. Yeah, I was clawed to death. Here, I'll try to get out of the way of the zombies so you can revive me. I'll just look that way. I don't want to move that way, but I'll look this way so you can find me. Revive me! Thank you. This time I don't want to say thanks because I don't know, I just don't want to. Okay. What the hell? What? Let me revive you, dude. What? Did he want him to revive him? Because I could have swore. Alright, I think this video is going on pretty long. Even though I'm having some fun. And people are calling me like non-stop. Let me just go for the last one. For the last what? Get them. That's weird. Hope you guys can't hear my dog barking. People are like... Oh my god, that bat is pretty funny. I don't know why. But that animation just made me laugh for some reason. It's funny. He better not be getting all those coins. I wanna get those coins. I wanna at least get the assault rifle. Can I get something? I haven't went up any coins. Noted that I did die But that guy has a shotty. I think I have a regular, yeah, tongue twister. I think I have a regular pistol, which doesn't really do too much. Like, I don't know how much life. Oh shit! Life these guys have necessarily. But trapped. Dude, stop. I think I'm gonna have to cut the or however long it's going on for. It's probably going on for at least 10 minutes. So, considering everybody's just going ballistic. This is the zombie apocalypse, of course. Alright, I think I'm gonna... Let me finish this wave. There's only 16 remaining. If we don't die, and then I'll just quit the game. And then that'll be the end of this episode. So yeah, let me just do that. Even though I am having fun, it's just, you know. Oh shit! Damn, I like this one. The flashlights give me a little bit of a surprise from now on. Again. Okay, I'm gonna get those. Oh yeah! I'm rich, bitch. How much do I got left? I need at least 200 more. All right, I'll do this one again. I'm probably gonna die in this one, but let's try it. It seems like everyone's oh. Watch out, dude. They're attacking you. He was killed in action. No, he wasn't. He was just standing there, all AFK and everything. Ah, shoot. Should I get the baseball bat? Nah, the baseball bat looks like it does no damage whatsoever. So, I'm probably... Yeah. Damn it, I died. Did I even really want to get respawned? No, not really. Will this guy survive? I doubt it. Where is he? Is he oh no, the zombies are just being their zombie selves and thinking they can go through walls and stuff when they know they cannot. Damn. Come on, respawn me. What are you doing, dude? Dakota? X14? Or times 14? Whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. I need a shotty like that guy, X14 or whoever. Again, coins. Nope. Alright. Next wave. Alright, I think... Come on. These guys are pretty... Oh, damn. These guys are pretty good. I'm pretty amateur. Pretty amateur. Oh well, I still have fun with these types of games. Damn. Oh, shit. Damn it. Maybe I shouldn't win in that, when you're going, for one, you move incredibly freaking slow. And for two, they don't let you move until like 10 seconds have passed. It's weird. Coins. Come on, give me the coins. Tell them, do you get the coins? I'm so confused. Do some of them drop coins? Do they all drop coins? I would like to know. If no one tells me, then I'm shit out of luck, aren't I? Yeah, that spot just is like a bottleneck. Wait, who is that guy? What? Is that X14? Dakota! He's the Halo looking dude. That guy who's dead at the bottom of the screen, it looks like he's a completely different person. He's X14. I got myself a coin. Oh, more coins. How much? Do I have enough? Are you serious? Oh, I got 2,000. Woo! Right on the dot, too. Right on the dot. I'm gonna get this assault rifle. What? Restart? Bullshit. It's not my fault you just joined. Hey, I got my assault rifle. I'm gonna kill a little bit. Oh, can I not move when I'm shooting? Oh, yeah, okay, I can. Ah, I can't. My PD's so fatigued, I can't. Oh, is that guy supposed to look like a zombie? Whoa. Well, okay, the map just stopped because he wanted to restart it. So I'm just gonna exit to the menu. And in this episode, even though I said it was going to end at like 20 minutes ago, or 5 minutes ago. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. If you like this, give this a thumbs up. If you didn't, tell me in the comments below. So, bye.